Watch my left.
Alright, I got you, brother. Yeah, I'm just trying to make you
Hey, I see something. We've got company.
Reaper, you're clear to move. Taking last. Oh, get down there quick.
I'm good.
Are you good?
We're good. We're good.
I had a report late. I'm happy.
Yeah, I got
Break it
one
when you
contact
stop.
long. I got going.
I'll be ready.
Tell me when to collapse. Door open. 3, 2, 1.
Crossing.
Where's that clear?
Collapse.
Left.
I'm gonna open this door. You're gonna. Crossing.
I think someone go up the stairs. Hey, Gabe, stay with me, alright? We're gonna push left.
Roger.
Keep pushing, keep pushing. Good fucking shit.
It's lagging so much.
Mag. Punch that.
I'm gonna try to grab door. It's a swing. Ready?
Roger. Stairs right. Dead
Door
space.
left. Open
Dead
space.
Dead space right.
On you.
Throwing a flash.
I'll take point.
Tango down.
Target down.
Hold position, hold position. Alright, I'm going in.
Roger.
I'm going to secure. Okay, let's get into this room. Let's get into this
Come
room.
on. Do we want to take a picture or no?
Yeah.
I left the camera by the hedges out front.
Alright.
Alright, we could.
I don't have to be in the picture. I could just like, you guys can stand still. I don't have to be in the picture, so it's all good.
No, it's fine. Let's get all. We
Good
can
call,
get all
dude.
of us in it. It's just getting back to that camera.
Let me do it. I got it.
We can go together.
Let me do it.
We can continue to clear the bottom floor, move up second deck, go retrieve that camera, bring it back here, and then from there we'll
I was just gonna go around through this garage because it's open. We're right
Alright,
here.
well then, don't go alone. We're all gonna go with you, alright?
Alright.
Check your
I just put it fresh. That should be good.
I put a partially used one. I didn't use that many rounds though, but me?
Yeah, I'm laggy too. I want that. I'm laggy. Blunkish, blunkish.
Alright, we got the camera.
Unknown. What a throw. Tom Brady.
Oh, he's dead. Alright, let's go.
Did I get
Let's
him?
go to our guy.
I already got the intel. Just need to find a laptop.
Dude, my controller's messed up.
Yeah, dude, my fucking VR stock just broke.
Crossing. I'm Clear the upper deck.